This tutorial is about the program's terrain and beam. Firstly, we will focus on how to work with the program terrain. You can either input points of the terrain or just import them from an external file. This is possible in several formats such as DXF, GINT, Atlas DMT, or simply a TXT file. We already have some data prepared, so we will import them into the program. Now we can generate the digital model of the terrain. In this example, we will add 2 more layers to our project. The soils are defined the same way as in any other GEO5 program. This topic is already covered with a different tutorial, so we will skip this part. It is now necessary to assign the soils to the corresponding layers. The next step is to define boreholes. Then we can generate the terrain model again. Next, we can go to line construction and introduce some construction to our terrain. We will design a beam. In the frame launch, select the beam and run the corresponding program by pressing the Run button. Here we have to define the depth of the beam and some load cases. The first one will be the weight of the beam itself. The second will be a variable load. We now have to input the loads. So now we have 2 forces acting on the beam. It is possible to generate a combination of load cases. The program will automatically find their worst combination. After that, we can run the analysis. The results are then shown on the desktop. By pressing OK, we will return to the program terrain. It is possible to add more beams or other structures. The results will always be automatically transferred to the program terrain and will be a part of the output protocol. More information can be found in other video tutorials, online help, engineering manuals, and verification manuals. Should you have any questions, please contact our support team.